Right, question for today is, how much water does a BMW exhaust hold? I know when I start this car up, I rev it, there's a shit ton of water that comes out of the exhaust. So I'm thinking, plus also when I've took it off, you could hear the water in that. So how much? Is it going to be as much as what's in the sill? Let's find out. Sounds like we stopped dripping. Yep. Cool. Oh well, okay. Yeah, that's quite a bit of water. I have a theory that it's not helping it when it's been sitting for that long, and then I start it up, it's full of water. Yeah. Cool. Interesting. There's that much water in a BMW exhaust. Definitely enough to make it slosh. Nice bit of weight reduction. Ooh, ooh, that's mould. Ooh, that's even. Ooh, right. Okay. Well, it's just getting mouldy, but I bet she still starts. Right, clean up the terminals. She'll start now. I don't know. Sounded a little bit odd. Real question is there going to be a water show at the back of here? Oh dear. Oh dearie dear, that's a lot of water. Wonder how much. Alright, couldn't find a bucket. But it's still going. It's a lot of water coming out of there. I did say they held quite a pretty bit of water. Or not even that warm on the temp gauge. Alright, seems like I just stopped recording from then on. The reason why I've did this is because the BMW doesn't really get driven anymore, and it just gets started up, idled, maybe get driven around the block, but that's as much as it gets driven. So my issue is that every time I start it up, it's always, the exhaust is always full of water, and I think it's restricting it and it's making it not run right. So the idea here is to get rid of that water. Easier way than sitting letting it and then revving hell out of it to try and get the water out of it. So fingers crossed this actually does something, but yeah, no, just thought it'd be a stupid little video for you to watch. Anyways, see you later. I'm gonna enjoy reading the comments on this one.